everyone, welcome to MIP Mix channel. This year I had a lot of renovation to do. One of these was to replacing the hardwood in the living room. So for that I had to use a machine, Ryobi. I received it from a friend. So I wish to replace the disc because I wish to have a new one to cut nice and well. Unfortunately I didn't make a movie how to take out them, but you can see from the photos and the movie I did after how to assembly, and you can see what you have to take out, how to use your tools. In fact, it's a screwdriver to take the screws 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is gonna remain there because it's a plate who's turning on it. Take off everything from the energy, unplug the machine from the energy from the plug, leave it like that, and then start to take out screw number 1, number 2, release the number 3 and take out the number 4. Don't forget, unplug, disconnect your machine from any source of energy. Here you can see how I put back the new disc. You have here the place where it is and you can see how to put it back. Is the vice versa of disassembly. You have to do it. So here you have to knock a little bit on the disc because it didn't work. It went easy till the end of its place. After that you can tighten it with the screw, and be careful, the screw it's on the left hand. You have to tighten toward left. You can use a tubular key or a ring one, it doesn't matter what you have. On this side it's the button to block the disc rotation, and like this you can tighten very well the disc with that screw on the other side. You have to use your hand, one hand to keep it down, the other hand to use the key. In this moment I had to push again the button because I escaped it and I wasn't able to tighten it well, and then I finished the operation. Now you can see how you have to put back the cover, the guard. To put it back you have to put those screws back, so the screw number 2 and number 4. Number 2 you don't tighten it until you don't fix the number 4. It's just a screw to have the right position of the cover plate, of the metal cover which is there, and then now you're on the position. You can fix the number 4 screw, and with this one tied back you can tie then number 2 screw and number 3. You see how it is, it's easy. You need just a screwdriver, a Phillips one, and the job is done. Now you can tie it well, the number 2 and number 3 screws, and you're done here. After that you have to put back the arm. Here you have to adjust it, to move a little bit to see, to find the right position of the screw. Tighten this one well, and after you tie this screw, you can check how it's working your guard, and everything okay, you're done.